Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Raja Iskandar Putra bin Raja Mustafa. I'll be your instructor for today's module, Coffee Production Equipment, the Espresso Machine. By the end of today's lesson, hopefully you'll be able to identify and describe the key components and functionalities of espresso machines. Before we proceed, let's identify what are the key components of an espresso machine. Here we have the group head, the water filter, the boiler, and the steam wand. In espresso making, coffee is brewed using pressure generated by the pump, and the water is pumped through the group head to start the extraction process. Next, let's talk about the water filter. It's the part where the coffee ground sits and hot water flows through it to create that wonderful espresso we all enjoy. Here we have the water tank or boiler. While each espresso machine might have a different boiler setup, they all work on the basic principle of heating water to just the right temperature to make delicious espresso. When you visit a cozy cafe, you might notice a familiar comforting sound. That cheerful noise often comes from the steam wand. This special tool is what heats and gently stretches the milk to the perfect temperature and texture, helping baristas craft beautiful and creative latte art that brightens your day. Espresso machines come with different levels of automation, ranging from manual models that require the user to control every aspect of the brewing process to the fully automatic machines that handle everything with a push of a button. This variety allows users to choose a machine that best fits their skill level and preferences, whether they are beginners or seasoned baristas, and provides flexibility for different brewing needs and settings. Now, let's explore the different types of espresso machines available in the market. First, we have the manual espresso machine. Manual ones gives the barista full control over the brewing process, allowing for precise adjustments and personalized preparation to create the perfect cup of coffee. Semi-automatic models combine the advantages of automation with the hands-on control of manual operation. This means operators can take care of tasks like tamping and dosing themselves, while trusting automated systems to smoothly manage other parts of the process. It's a great way to enjoy both the precision of technology and the personal touch of manual work. Lastly, fully automatic machines take care of every part of the process on their own, so there's no need for manual work. This makes the whole operation much simpler and more reliable. With this kind of automation, everything runs smoothly, efficiently, and with less variation, which helps to produce better quality and higher productivity. Regular maintenance practices such as cleaning, rescaling, and replacing seals are crucial for ensuring consistent performance, regardless of the specific type of equipment or system. These routines help prevent buildup, maintain efficiency, and extend the lifespan of the components. In conclusion, proper maintenance is essential for ensuring that coffee machines function effectively and produce the best possible brew.